Hi everyone. So, being back with the next topic after a little break, and this is about sexuality is the very root of our human nature. When we are around the age of 5, 6, we become very sexual. And we can see this from by us starting to explore more our body and start to express ourselves in different creative ways. Because as we know, sexual energy we can call also creative energy. Sexuality is still free flowing and pure until we start to accept different truths about it and belief systems about it and about the way we express ourselves. This can come from family background, from society, and also religious background. For example, the way our family perceiving sexuality, it contributes to it. For example, we can be, let's say this is from personal experience, we can be punished for playing and exploring our body at an early age, which should be something very natural and normal in a healthy society. So we remain with shame around doing that, and this already changes the way we perceive sexuality and contributes to be more distant to connect to our body. As a social programming example would be is that one of the examples is that sexuality is still a taboo subject in society. So everyone around us hide it and not talking about it openly and freely. And this can also have a mark on us and how we perceive sexuality. By seeing that it is normal to be free with it, and as a religious programming would be that sexuality is perceived as something dirty and sinful. So also we act with our sexuality according to that. Just through these three examples, we can see how our sexuality can be conditioned all through life, and that for someone who is reawakening to one's sexuality, it is good to go through a clearing process where the person can clear out different programmings and belief systems and to return to the natural state and relation with sexuality what had at a very early age. Different relationships and experiences can also add to how we perceive our sexuality. For example, being with a man who wants to control every aspect of our sexuality, and we allow that to happen. That's the most important, because we learn that we need to obey to man. Our sexuality will depend on the man, and we will always look for the acknowledgement from the man of expressing ourselves and our sexuality. Personally experienced different types of abuse, in childhood and in adulthood, and had part of all type of programmings and also personal programmings, which made me close myself in connection with my sexuality and also live disconnected from my body, and took years to work with it and to feel again comfortable with my sexuality and feel home within my body. Besides clearing out different programmings, also it is good to explore ourselves in deeper way sexually, because this can also help us to know and express ourselves in our true human core. This is a very sensitive, intimate and confidential topic to be worked with, myself creating individual sessions where we are able to explore and release different programmings, and also we are able to work on exploring our sexual nature further. Later on, we'll expand more this topic and we'll talk about more details related to it. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next videos.